Forgotten username recovery failed on TradingView Fix. If you can't remember your TradingView username, you're not alone. Most people make the mistake of thinking they need the exact username to log in, but the platform actually uses your registered email to identify accounts. This is the surprising truth that many users overlook. Here's the fix. Step 1. Open TradingView's login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. TradingView will send you an email containing your username or a recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, gather your full name, any payment receipts, or planned subscription details. TradingView support can use this information to verify your identity and help you recover your username. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email. If it doesn't appear in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. If you still cannot recover your username, contact TradingView support directly. Provide your verification details and explain your situation. Their team can securely guide you through account recovery. The key takeaway is that losing your username does mean losing access. TradingView's email-based recovery system ensures that, with proper verification, you can regain control quickly and safely.